Mobile games have largely transformed alongside the development of mobile phones, and throughout the years, phones have only become better, faster, and more powerful. Freitas and Griffith argue that interaction with mobile games are more accessible than computer or console-based games due to being highly portable. In other words, the accessibility of mobile games allows us to enjoy the gaming experience anytime and anywhere. Mobile games have come a long way since the success of Tetris in the late 1980s, proving that intricate storylines are not always necessary to captivate players. There's now an endless selection of genres for mobile games, from world building to player versus player to brain-teasing puzzles. Players can have access to these diverse experiences in a single device. Shaw and Chess argue that mobile games have redefined what the term gamer means. The term casual gaming is now used to challenge the idea that gaming culture must always be fast-paced or hardcore. A casual gamer is someone who plays games in a more relaxed fashion, and unlike the traditional hardcore gamer, casual gamers are motivated by the variety, lack of time commitment, and social interaction within mobile games. The rise of casual gaming as a popular practice has made gaming a much more inclusive and accessible practice to a broader audience. The idea of convergence, according to Jenkins, emphasizes the changing relationships and experiences that people have with new forms of media. The strengths of mobile games, such as gaming at any location, interacting with players from the other side of the world, switching between devices in each gameplay, all point to the influence of technological and cultural convergence. And let's not forget that digitization precedes convergence. So, when you engage in practices like finding a new game on the App Store, buying virtual goods, chatting with other players, or even relying on internet connectivity, these all represent how digitization transformed traditional gaming experiences into digital formats. Whether you agree or not, it's undeniable that casual games help many of us go through this mundane reality we call life. Their accessibility, diversity of genres, and, well, affordability makes gaming so much more easier.